Steven. Greetings humans, Pearl here. Steven wanted to partner up with the students over at UA. Steven, what does UA stand for? Is this a reputable organization? The one with the spiky hair, he doesn't have a very nice attitude. Anyway, we're doing a training video today to get all you new recruits ready to join the Crystal Gems. We're going to be doing a Barre-Inspired workout today. We are going to burn your human little legs off. It's going to be wonderful fun. Grab your weapon of choice and let's get started. Alright Gems, we're going to be doing a bar or ballet-inspired routine, so I recommend you use a chair or a table, whatever surface you have available for support that's about hip height, and be sure your chair is stable, no rolling around, no wheels, keep it on the mat if it provides the most traction. First, we're going to be doing first position to wide plie, and come back to center. Keep your stance wide, keep your body lowered. I want you to keep a tall back with these moves. Do what you like with your hands. I like to stay graceful. Bend deeply. Keep that spine tucked in. Center. Step. Lower. Center. Wonderful work. Up next we have donkey kicks. So I need you to support yourself with your chair, raise your leg, keep that foot flexed, and extend. If you don't need to support yourself on the chair, feel free to just very lightly rest your hands as well. That's a great way to practice your balance with just support available. Also look in one spot on the wall or the floor. I've got some markers that I'm looking at. There's a purple one, just right on it. Keep breathing, really feel that extension and make sure you're not completely locked out on the bottom either. I want that leg as neutral as possible when it's being supported. Alright, up next we're going to straight leg lift. So similar motion, back in your supported position, raising that leg instead of bending it. And keep those straight legs lifting. Again, keep your back very straight. I don't want you arched in these moves. Keep it neutral. We're working your legs here. You might feel a little bit of lower back because it's all connected, but be sure it's not painful. And feel free to adjust your chair position and your arm position to support you in a way that is most efficient. Alright, up next is going to be a side leg lift. We're working the sides of our legs, another similar motion. Dancer's arms, very graceful. Breathe, feel that shaking, that work that you're doing in your legs. Lifting. So you're heading straight to space. Oh, and kicking the wall as you're at it. Feel those thighs, that glute supporting you. Remembering to keep that leg on the bottom nice and neutral. All right, finally we're gonna do an attitude pulse. Leg in a diamond position and pulse backwards, toe pointed. You can feel your glutes being targeted with this one. Raising that knee, raising that leg in one motion. Remember to breathe, stand tall, keep that core engaged. Looking in one spot if you're struggling to balance. Practice a little bit maybe without your support. and engage your entire body whenever you're ready. No pressure, but feel free to elevate these moves whenever you can. Wonderful. Now we're going to do a traditional plie. So feet in a little V shape and coming down and up. If your knees won't allow you to go down that low, feel free to just go to your own level and bend and snap, as they say. Keeping that back straight, feeling elegant like a dancer, working those quads, working your entire leg with this deep plie before we move on to the next side. Taking my chair with me. Careful. Excellent work. Now to the next side. Move that chair. And we plie, wide squat again. Are you feeling more elegant? If you're not, you'll get there. Sometimes you just have to dress as someone elegant, and you feel you can embody that, even if you are a duck or a flapping chicken, as they say, instead of a swan. Keep breathing. Nearly there. Last one. And down. Great. Next we're doing those donkey kicks again. So support yourself on your chair and leg out, back neutral, foot flexed, and extend. Again, coming out to balance if you are ready, but no pressure if not. Keep breathing. Engage that core. Always suck it in. It helps with balance, and it's a great sneaky way to work your abs too. And remember, don't lock out your bottom leg here. Keep it a little bit bent for safety. Okay, up next, shake that out, shake that out. We're gonna do straight leg lifts. So, toes pointed this time, and lift. Feel like a dancer, like a beautiful pearl who's not about to fall over when she lets go of her chair. You're doing wonderful. I hope you're having an excellent day today. Thank you for exercising with me in this Crystal Gem training program. It's been very fun joining all of these 1A hooligans, giving you some proper dance training. But be sure to let us know if there's a character that you want to see next from any particular series. Okay, next we got side leg lifts. So standing, and we're kicking, hopefully not taking out any pumpkaboos. We're clear. Feel that leg shaking, especially on the bottom. You already worked it, now it's supporting you. But look at you go. I just adore you. I'm not gonna sing during these workouts. Nobody wants that. Breathe, stay tall, keep an active arm. This is fun. Excellent work. Hope we're all going to be able to walk after this. Whew. Wonderful. All right, attitude pulses next. So, diamond position and raise. Again, being sure you're not hurting your back here, not arching, but this one does get your glutes. Be mindful of your posture, of how far you're pushing. Make sure it's challenging, but not painful. And we're gonna have some strong diamond crushing thighs and glutes. I crush diamonds with my glutes. Wonderful. Okay, finally, our last move are plies. So, feet in a little V shape, and we descend. Have any of you taken any dance classes? I used to do a little bit of gymnastics when I was little, but never any formal dance lessons. I just kind of picked it up, Pearl Point, to myself. But I'd love to take some real classes one day too. That sounds delightfully fun. Down and up. Enjoy these last few seconds. Feel your body shaking. You're pushing. You've got this. And up and bow. Excellent work, Crystal Gems. I hope you enjoyed this Pearlates workout. You earned your Pearl Point today. Be sure to leave a comment down below with your character suggestions, or send me a message over on Instagram at Noble Porpoise. I'd love to hear from you there. Until then, best of luck resisting the Diamond Authority. Steven. Until then, best of luck assisting. We're not big truck. Big truck is going by. Okay. Yikes. Feel free to just grab your weapon. Jesus, you didn't see that.